Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring the account has automation features and enough sends. This prevents surprises later. Next, import or clean your contact list and apply tags so you can target precisely. This is how segmentation works. Once done, connect your sending domain and enable SBF/DKIM to avoid spam blocks. This improves open rates. Then open campaigns and click Create New, choose the email type, pick the list, and name the campaign so tracking is clear. You now design the message. Pick a template or begin blank, and always preview both mobile and desktop because layout affects clicks. Use personalization tags and dynamic content to increase relevance. That's why conversions rise. Then build the automation. Set the trigger, add purposeful wait steps, and insert conditional splits to handle different user behaviors. Make sure each path ends with a measurable CTA or goal so you can analyze performance later. This is how you optimize. You finish by testing everything. Send test emails, use inbox preview, and click every link to confirm tracking parameters. Once satisfied, set up a /B subject tests and schedule the send at an optimized time. This increases opens. After launch, monitor reports for opens, clicks, and bounces so you can iterate. If delivery problems occur, check domain authentication, suppression lists, and bounce codes. One key troubleshooting tip is to verify DKIM alignment before resending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.